November 19th. This is our official last day in Phuket, Thailand. So tomorrow morning we have a flight from Phuket to Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is like north part of Thailand. It's an amazing destination with lots of like temples and mountains. We want to go there, explore, and I hope that place will have the same diversity in food.
It's not a book, it's menu.
Yeah.
Thai food, European food. This is for breakfast, 120 baht.
Then let's go further, like 80 baht for what? Baked potatoes, sandwich with tuna, 160. Let's check something super like fancy, super expensive. How much?
One lobster is 1,650.
Let me show you their kitchen. Alright, this is their kitchen. Incredible, having this thick menu, so many dishes, and they have that little kitchen. I don't know how they cook all of these things in that little space. Alright, let me give you one little clue about having food in Thailand, especially in Phuket, from our experience. If you want to find some local delicious food and at good price, you need to find some places like this. See, mostly all Thai local restaurants, they look similar. So it's like nothing fancy, and the menus on the walls, some pictures like this, cook really fast, and they have like this thick menu, so many dishes. Thank you so much. This is my food, American breakfast. We also have this salad and avocado noodles. Alright, food is over. Totally it's 280 baht. Okay, lunch is over. We successfully paid with coins. lots of coins. Right now we're gonna go to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we arrived at Quard beach. It's right here, and like I said, it's gonna be our last video from Phuket, and I wanna make this video like our memories. Yet we wanna share with you some tips about living on this island. And probably these tips can save you a little bit of money if you want to travel to Phuket Island. Okay, the next little hint for those who like to surf. There are lots of people along the beach, they have surfing boards for rent. But be careful about the price. Some of them will offer 300 or 400 baht per 1 hour. It's a little bit too much. The good price is about 200, so you need to negotiate or walk around the beach. And one more thing about the beaches. Right now we are at Quard beach, and so far this is my favorite place because it's relatively not crowded. See not much people on the beach, and in water almost nobody. So another little tip for you guys is about transportation. So if you're coming here for a few days or for a long time especially, I recommend you to rent a bike. It's a really easy way to move around the island, no traffic jams, and pretty affordable. White little fella for 4,000 baht per month. And yeah, of course the price will depend on duration of your rent. If you rent just for 2 days, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. If you rent like we did for 1 month, it's gonna be cheaper, of course. A little bit more about bike. After you rent it, always wear a helmet because police here is pretty strict about helmets. Then if you don't have a driver license, you still can rent a bike. These companies don't give a shit actually. But if you drive somewhere like in Phuket town, any place you drive, and you see that lots of motorbike pull over and stay somewhere on the side of the road and wait for something, which is not really obvious why they stay there, it means police is somewhere ahead of them. So you better also stop if you don't have a driver license and wait. And yeah, if you see the police, you just turn and go somewhere else. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, not bad, not bad. Tell me, we've been here 2 weeks. Have you learned how to swim?
I learned almost 50%.
50% of what? 50% is enough to drown. That was gonna be funny. But doesn't go down. Go underwater.
I'm moving?
Yeah, you are moving.
No.
A little bit. That is one. I'm going to go for bubble tea. This is a famous drink in China. I think here on Phuket we don't really feel like it's breakfast time or it's lunchtime. Whenever we are hungry, we just go and eat. Do you have any other tips for our people?
If you want to stay a little bit longer, I suggest you take more cash to here because here's exchange rate not friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it always takes commission.
Yeah, that's right. That's a good one. Cheers. Alright, it was really delicious. We're gonna walk here around this area, and we have another piece of advice, another tip for you guys, and it is
Parking. If you want to buy a day trip from the travel agent, or you want to buy something from the street shop, so better bargain with them.
for example, tourist trips. Yeah, we
Yes.
bought 3 different trips, and when we bought the first one on our birthday, that zip line,
Yeah.
we did
didn't
not.
do bargain.
Yeah, we didn't bargain. And how much did we pay?
Like 5,400 baht.
For 2 people, it's
Yeah.
super expensive. But the second trip we went to Phi Island, which was much more exciting and interesting
For the access to pay like 1,700 baht.
per person.
Yeah, per person, but after negotiate with them, 1,400 for that.
See, that is the travel agency over there, that is the travel agency over there, and there is one more. So it's like every 100 of meters you can find a place, and you can definitely bargain about the price. Alright, next about the living place. Don't be in rush to book a hotel for 1 month or 2 months or whatever time you want to stay here. I recommend you to rent first for 3-4 days, one hotel, then after you come here, you better go for a walk in your area and just go to hotels, go to Airbnb and discuss price with them, because Airbnb and Booking.com and hotels, all these websites, they take like 20% from the hotel owners. And if you go directly and negotiate with them price, the price is going to be much cheaper. This is how we rented our Italian hotel for 600 baht per night, which is a great deal. So now we came to Quard beach because we want to watch sunset. This is the beautiful place to watch sunset.
This is sunset. Oh my god.
It's almost sunset time and it's overexposed. I cannot see anything.
Okay, but you, Jesse, wants to have smoothie.
Yeah, this kind of night market over here.
Yeah.
Pineapple, watermelon, passion fruit. How about passion fruit? Thank you. What can be better than enjoying sunset on the beach, having cold smoothie? It's been a great time on this island and I'm so glad we came here. I'm so glad we had a chance to celebrate our birthday in this absolutely amazing place. And I think I will never forget this experience.
After you die, yeah?
Hopefully even after that. Or hopefully I will never die.
They won't die, they will live forever.
Yeah. And also I'm happy that we made it to the Phi Island. It's like worldwide famous place. And yes, of course, rafting. It was our first experience about rafting. It was so much fun. And the monkey cave, I remember one monkey jumped onto your leg and trying to grab as much nuts as it can.
Yes, that time I just realized monkey they like peanuts so much.
Much more than bananas actually.
Yes.
There's so many bananas on the floor,
Probably
they don't eat it.
They are tired of bananas.
Yeah. Rate this place from like 0 to 10 and I can finish this video.
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Okay, 9.5 for Phuket.